23rd problem. If 21,168 is equal to x to the power of 4 into y cube into z square, find the values of x comma y comma z. Solution given. What is given? 21,168 is equal to x to the power of 4 into y to the power of y cube into z square. Now convert the given number into prime factors. 21,168 is there. 2 table goes. 2 ones are 2. 2 can't go in 1. 0 times it goes. Then here 11. 2 5s are 10. Again 1 remaining here. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Again 2 table goes. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 1 remaining 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 table. 2 goes. 2 2s are 4. 1 remaining. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 1 remaining. 2 6s are 12. Again 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 3s are. Now 2 table will not go because the last digit is 3. When 2 table goes, either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 is there, then only test of divisibility we have learned. When 2 divides means the last digit should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Here 3 we got, odd number. So 2 table will not go. Able to follow? 2 after which table? Prime factors, 3 table. What is the test of divisibility of 3? Add the digits. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Able to follow? 9 came. So 3 divides. Because 3 3s are 9 now. So 3 table divisible. 3 4s are 12. Again 1 remaining here. Again 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 2 table will not go because last digit is 1. Odd number. Go for 3. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 3 goes in 9. Again go for 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 1 remaining. 3 4s are 12. 2 remaining. 2 remaining. 2 7s are 21. Now again 2 table will not go. Checking for 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 table goes. So 3 table. 3 4s are 12. 2 remaining. 3 9s are 27. Now we got 49. When we get 49, we can understand which table goes. 7 table. 7 7s are, say, 49. So go for 7. 7 goes 7 times. Now we have done prime. We got all the prime factors. Now substitute. 21,168 is equal to, how much they gave here? X to the power of 4 into y cube into z square. Now we found the factors. How much we got? You write 21,168. How much we got factors? 2 to the power of 2. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write 2 to the power of 4 into, next 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 cube into 7 and 7 square. So 7 square. Powers are equal. Bases also equal. So x is equal to how much? 2. Y is equal to how much? 3. Z is equal to how much? 2. In the place of x, 2 is there. In the place of y, 3 is there. In the place of z, 7 is there. 7. In the place of z, 7 is there. Powers are same. 4, 3 and 2. So this is the way of finding the values of x comma y comma z. Are you able to follow? Clear? Solve for x. 25th problem. They have given 3 to the power of x is equal to 1 by 3. 3 to the power of x as it is, right? What is the meaning of 1 by 3 means? 1 by 3 to the power of 1. 1 is there here. No number is there means 1 is there. So 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of minus 1. Denominator going to numerator, opposite side. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. When bases are equal, powers must be equal. Powers must be equal. Now, therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Bases are equal. Powers also x is equal to minus 1. Coming to 26th problem. 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 1. When it will be 1? If a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. We know this laws of indices. So, here base is 3. 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 0. 3 to the power of 0 how much? 1. So, in the place of 1, 3 to the power of 0. If here 4 is there, 4 to the power of 0. 5 is there, 5 to the power of 0. Are you able to follow? Depending upon the base, a is there means a power 0. Keep in mind. Now, here also same sum. What sum? When bases are equal. When bases are equal, powers also must be equal. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Powers, we are equating powers. 2x is equal to plus 1 goes from left to right, minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. They asked to solve for x. We have solved for x. We got the values of x. Solve for x. 27th problem. Square root of a by b is equal to b by a whole to the power of 1 minus 3x. Another form of square root is a by b whole to the power of half. Square root means 1 by 2. Cube root means 1 by 3. Fifth root means 1 by 5, like that. Is equal to, here we are having base a by b. This also change, interchange. A by b. When you are interchanging the base, power will become opposite sign. Minus plus 1 will become minus 1. Minus 3x will become plus 3x. Now again here, when bases are equal, powers also must be equal. So 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 3x. Do cross multiplication. 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 3x. 1 is equal to minus 2 plus 6x. Now minus 2 coming from right side to left side. 1 plus 2 is equal to 6x. 1 plus 2 how much? 3. 3 is equal to 6x. We want the value of x. So by 6 is equal to x. 3 table goes, 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So x is equal to 1 by 2. X is equal to 1 by 2. That is the way of finding or solving x here. Coming to the next 28th problem. Cube root 2 by 3 whole to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 27 by 8. So another form of cube root is 2 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 again whole to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 27 we can write as 3 cube and 8 we can write as 2 cube. Already we have done. Otherwise find the factors for 27. 27 3 table goes 9 times, again 3 table goes 3 times. In the same manner for 8 also 2 goes 4 times, again 2 goes 2 times. Do that working side of it. Now this is in the form of a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Mn means m into n. So 2 by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2 whole cube. Now bases are not same, so we can interchange. So opposite power becomes opposite. 2 by 3 whole to the power of 1 x minus 1 is x minus 1 by 3 is equal to, here you are making reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 3, opposite sign. Which formula? A by b whole power n is equal to b by a whole to the power of minus n. Are you able to follow? What formulas you are using here, mention there compulsory. Here again, when bases are equal, powers must be equal. Write that word. So x minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 3. Now x minus 1 is equal to minus 3 into 3. Now so x minus 1 is equal to minus 9. X is equal to minus 9 plus 1. So x is equal to minus 8. So this is the way of solving the, here x we got as 1 by 2 in 27th problem. In 28th problem we got x as minus 8. And these are the working what you have done. This is very important parcel of the problem. 30th problem. Solve for x. 9 into 3 to the power of x is equal to 27 whole to the power of 2x minus 5. 9 we can write as 3 square into 3 to the power of x is equal to 27 we can write as 3 cube whole to the power of 2x minus 5. Now it is in the form of a power m into a power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So this is very important. Now 3 to the power of 2 plus x is equal to, it is in the form of a power m whole power m. A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So 3 to the power of 3 into 2x minus 5. Now 3 to the power of 2 plus x. First term, second term. Some will add here 2 plus x is 2x. That is wrong. This is numerical value, that is variable. We can't. So that is equal to 3 to the power of multiply. 3 2s are 6. So 6x minus 3 5s are 15. Now when bases are equal, powers also must be, write that word sentence. So 2 plus x is equal to 6x minus 15. Now 2 minus 6x. Sorry, keep here x variables one side. X minus 6x is equal to minus 15 plus 2 going to that side minus 2. Minus 5x is equal to minus 17. Minus minus get cancelled. So x is equal to 17 by 5. Divide 5 17. 5 3s are 15. 2 remainder. So 3 2 by 5. How much? 3 2 by 5 is the answer. Coming to 32. 5 to the power of x minus 3 into 3 to the power of 2x minus 8 is equal to, they gave 225. Find factors 225. 5 table goes, because last 5 is there. 5 table goes. 5 4s are 20, 2 remaining, 25, 5 5s 25. Again 5 table goes. 5 goes 9 times. Again now 3 table goes. 3 3s are 9. So you can write as 5 square into 3 square. Those are the prime factors of 225. Now you compare first one with first. 5 to the power of x minus 3 is equal to 5 square. When bases are equal, powers also must be equal. So x minus 3 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 plus 3. X is equal to 5. You can, if you want, you can do that one also. Next one. What is next one? 3 to the power of 2x minus 8 is equal to 3 square. Here also, when bases are equal, powers must be. So 2x minus 8 is equal to 2. So here, when bases are equal, powers must be equal. 2x minus 8 is equal to 2. 2x is equal to minus 8 going from left to right. So 2 plus 8. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 2. 2 goes in 10 5 times. So x is equal to 5.